Do you know about the artificial sun created by Germany? If not, then think about it. The artificial sun of Germany is known as the largest artificial sun.
If it's the largest artificial sun, then does it mean there are more of them?
Yes, there are more, but in this video I'm only going to talk about the artificial sun of Germany. What is artificial sunlight? Artificial sunlight is the use of a light source to simulate sunlight where the unique characteristics of sunlight are needed, but where sufficient natural sunlight is not available or is not feasible. A light source used to simulate sunlight is a solar simulator. What is artificial sun? It is a lamp producing artificial sunlight. Our whole earth cannot depend on the small lamp. But what will happen if we combine tons of it and shaped it into a huge sphere? It will form a huge ball producing light, heat, and energy. According to scientists, this sun will be so powerful that even one bulb will be able to light a building. But I can't guarantee that it will be perfect for crops or it will be good for our eyes. Our natural sun is way better than any artificial sun.